going to share detail about MVLAND, where you can turn your image into video, and you can also put your music that will turn into video. That is also possible now. Even you can upscale and it make high quality content now on MVLAND. So we are going to share each and everything about it. You can get link in video description so you can continue it. With Google account you can continue to create your account, and here you can also check 3 of the main feature, image into video. We are also going to demonstrate how image into visual using CDAS 2.0 and AI upscaling will be demonstrated, so you have to watch this video till end. Or now we are going to share the method how music into video can be turned. So now we click on it. Next is this step where we have to drag and give the MP3 format. We are going to upload the file here. From my PC asset, I am going to choose one format file that will be uploaded here. You can see it is in uploading. You can easily choose a part of your music, and then you can describe what type of music should be in video. I have described it, what type of video I need actually. And in this way you can also go ahead, and there is fast and next to option to generate analysis, and then after doing the analysis there are 4 to 5 steps. There are 4 steps. First, analyze, that has been done. Here is storyboard, editor and result. In this way we will also choose where our format errors generate. There are the scenario and how the energetic with the scenario we can select the picture will be generated, and then it will be converted into video. So now I am going to select like this is the Anderson and the static video. I want to create this scenario here using the Nano Banana Pro, and we are going to click on the confirm option. Image has been generated. We can choose one of them. I am going to choosing this one. And now we are going to click on the generate option. So we can also proceed with another option into storyboard. And we have selected this and click on the storyboard, and there you can also choose Nano Banana Pro with the 4 shot and credit an estimated time, and then there are the next output. Batches finally give us the output. Now we are going to click on the generate video using the K-Link Avatar 2.0. There is also K-Link Turbo 10 ATB and many other you can easily select. So now I am going to generate that image into video using K-Link. Now in the editing phase you can now check out how it looks like. Even I can also show you, and here is also how it looks like. You can see on the stage. This is very cool. And now I am going to show you in the like output after the rendering, and result will be on the screen in a fully high resolution. There you can check perfect. This is the final step. You can see final video is ready. You can check it on the screen now. Your crypto game viewers, enjoy this video for you. Something that really helping you. I'm the real hero. I hope guys you like that amazing and impressive content I have shown you. And here now you can also check there is second thing, image to video. I am also going to show you. Here is the interface where we have to add the images. So we are going to click on it with the selecting a picture here, and then we can also go ahead and picture will be uploaded at that side. You can even check out. This is the box where we can add multimedia like images, or here we can also describe what type of video we need. And here is also CDAS 2.0 720 pixel. Even if there is also many other. We can see here there is also frame to frame, first and last frame worksheet. You can add the picture. There is the scale, there is also the time. You can easily select, and then you have to click on the generate option. In this way you can also use the first and second feature. Now the most favorite that I have tested already is AI upscaling. Now I am going to click on the AI upscaling feature, where we can upload video here by clicking on the upload option. We have selected here video, and now we are going to click on it, and then video will be uploading here. Here guys you can also check there is single upload as well as there is batch upload too. And once the video will be uploading here, you can check the other features. Yes, on the interviews you can also check fast or pro. There is also quality you can select. And now we are going to making it into 2K resolution, so we are going to click on the generate option. You can guys check out how it looks like when we will also make it into before and after. You can see result live now. Yes, there are the before, it's mean there are some blurry, but when we talk about the next one is also more clear. And this is what we are going to demonstrate. This is the clear video. And you can even check out there is before and now. The after is an impressive result we have made now.